Good day, everyone. Good day, my family. Good day, my friends. How you doing? How is the day going? Hope it's going very well. Okay. Today we'll be talking about lemon. Very important fruit in our locality. It belongs to citrus family, just like oranges, grape, and so on and so forth. So it contains citric acid. That's why it belongs to that citrus family. So we'll be talking about lemon, the health benefits of lemon. Okay, let's look at the health benefits of lemon, especially consuming the water. In fact, it's the water that we are looking at. The health benefits of lemon water. Okay, number one is it reduces inflammation. Yes, because of the presence of it contains these anti-inflammatory properties that you know helps to